Hello guys, this is Momentum, your host, and first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. Okay, so this is the chart of gold according to daily candle. But before starting the video, let me share the report of today. And today, as you can see, on October 17 we gave a buy signal from 87. The TP1 was 90, TP2 was 95, and TP3 was 2707 with the stop loss of only 60 pips. And here we have also discussed the reasons of buying. As you can see, these are the reasons of buying, as you can see, and this is the graph. So we always share with the signal with the proper graph and reason. Beside this, we also provide a signal of GBP USD buy, as you can see on the screen, and we also provide the reason to buy. So finally, the GBP USD is still running in the profit, as you can check, but the trade of gold have successfully hit the target number 1 and target number 2, and we have successfully saved 100 plus pips, as you can see on the screen. So this was the demo about our signals, and let's start the pair. Okay, so first of all, start with the daily candle, and as you can see, if I draw a zone, for example, like that, so this is the zone, and this was the zone which was market rejecting this again and again. The market was moving, then it reject this, and this was a very important zone. But as you can see, the last 3 days candle, this candle formed a strong bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, besides bullish engulfing pattern, this is also a 3 soldier body pattern, which means this zone have successfully broken down. Now the gold can retrace till this level. Okay, next in the next days, the gold can fall on this level 2670, and it can again be bullish. Okay, so this is according to the daily candle, and as you know, the daily candle signals are always long. So let's move to H4, our favorite time zone. So what happened to last signal when we share? Again, I am going to draw the similar structure that I am trying to draw to educate you. Okay, so last day when market was here, I told you that this is the zone. Okay, so this is the zone. From this zone, the market will use as a support level. This red zone is used as a support level, and market got pumped, and successfully it has broken down its all-time high. Okay, so yesterday again in my group, in my free and VIP group, I told the people that I told the trader that this is the all-time high area. Try to understand the logic. Okay, so first of all, the market was using this support level. The market was using first support level. Okay, so this is the area the market have successfully broken down, as you can see on the screen. And then this is the area. Let me show you with the help of diagram. Okay, so this market was the rejection, this area was the rejection for the market, and once market break this with the strong bullish engulfing pattern candle, then we thought that, then we gave a buy signal that the market could use this space, this place, as a new support level. And as you can see, the market did the same. It follow this regression channel and it got pumped. Okay, so this was according to H4 candle, and let's try to analyze the new trend. First of all, let's move to H1 candle, so we can draw a proper Fibonacci retracement level. For example, as you know, the method to apply Fibonacci retracement level, we will apply this, and then we will find out the selling as well as buying. Okay, so as you can see, as you can see on your screen, this is exact the area. Let me draw 2690, the market is using as its support level. Okay, So if market break this area, then the next level will be 2680, then market will be in the bullish pattern. If not, then market will retest this area 2690, and then its next target will be 2702, and next target will be almost 2740. Okay, this is according to the Fibonacci retracement. And now we will analyze our technical and fundamental analysis. So according to Fibonacci retracement in H4, we will just draw the buying and selling, and according to this the next area is 2707, which means the market is going to retest 2707. So what will be the buying areas? Let me show you once again. Okay, if we draw a parallel regression channel on this surface, then we will find out that the market is using this parallel regression channel. Okay, so here we have a support as well as a resistance, and we will use our beast level, the support level as well as a resistance level. So just a red zone and a next line we are going to draw on the structure 2707, I mean 27666. Okay, so the similar movement is that the market will use this area 2680 as a new support level, and then we will buy the gold until 2707. Okay, similarly, if market somehow break this red area and it will move on this support level 2670, and again we are going to buy it, then our first target will be this level all time high. And if market will reject this,